I bet you don't know three ways to connect mobile internet to a PC or laptop. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna tell you that three ways that you can connect your mobile internet into your laptop or computer, and you can check out ideas over given over here. So first request is like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now first of all, I am switching off my internet. Oh sorry, I didn't have done this. I am switching off my Wi-Fi first. Okay, so that means no internet access to my system. Now what we have to do? There is one second. There is no internet access right now. There is no internet access. What we have to do? Go to this arrow or just go to start and Bluetooth. Click on show all Bluetooth devices. Click on add a device. Click on add a Bluetooth device and it will start searching. Now what we have to do? We have to go to our mobile phone settings, go to portable hotspot and click on Bluetooth T3. Yes, Bluetooth T3. After that you will start seeing your mobile phone over here. You have to click on that and connect. After connecting that, you have to do a thing. You have to search your mobile phone and click on that. Click on join and click on connect. After that it will start connecting to internet and voila, internet is working right now. You can check out the speed too over here. The speed of your internet, you can check it out over here. So that means internet is working right now. What we have to do right now, if we want to do it with another way, we have to connect a USB cable to our mobile phone and connect it to laptop or computer and click on off this and click on USB T3. After that it will start connecting to network. Yes, no internet network 17. And now you can check it out. Its speed is also fast. Bluetooth speed, Bluetooth tethering speed is not that fast, but this one speed is very fast. And the last and the most popular one is just this is the setup part of sorry, once again go to that same setting and portable Bluetooth and set up this Bluetooth over here. Change the name of Wi-Fi, change the password, and after that switch on your portable hotspot. After that you don't have to do much more. Just go to this Wi-Fi, click on this one, switch on the Wi-Fi and click on the Wi-Fi network and it's connected. Now you can check out the speed. So that way you can easily connect your mobile internet to your laptop or computer. So hope you understood that how you can do. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon, and don't forget to comment down below which one you didn't know about this. I bet you don't know almost two, don't know about two. You just know about Wi-Fi, don't know about USB and the Bluetooth thing. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye for now.